here to tell you about Jira Construction and that I'm happy with the choice that I've made for my concrete work here at my house. You guys provided a great price. You beat the first bid by $1,000, and I believe the work is definitely superior to than what I would have had from the contractor that I was going to go with. I got brush finish, broom finish, and I got exposed aggregate, so I got the best of both worlds. And you guys got the work done in 2 days, and really helped me out and helped my neighbor out as well. All this dirt went over to his house, so we killed 2 birds with 1 stone. You guys did a great job for me. Thank you very much.